Hello everyone! Welcome back to Nice Travel TV. Today, we're here at Kalayaan View Deck in Barangay Genorangan, also known as Genorangan, in Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. This beautiful destination is also home to Tierras Altas Cafe, Kalayaan View Deck and Farm. The cafe is well loved not only for its breathtaking mountain views but also for its delicious coffee and satisfying food. Whether you're craving a hot latte, an iced coffee, pizza, pasta, buttered chicken, or tasty snacks, there's something on the menu for everyone. Many visitors come here to enjoy a relaxing meal while taking in the cool breeze and stunning panoramic scenery. The view is especially beautiful during sunrise and sunset. It's the perfect place to unwind, take memorable photos, and spend quality time with family and friends. If you're planning a trip to Lagonoy, don't miss the chance to visit Kalayaan View Deck and experience its delicious coffee, flavorful food, and amazing views for yourself. Now, let's explore this hidden gem together. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nice Travel TV.